Hello and welcome to BetID. In this video, I'm going to talk about affix. I'm not going to explain the meaning of affix here. You can easily find the definition on the internet. Have you found the meaning? Good then. Generally, there are three main types of affixes. Firstly, prefix. So, it is an element to be attached to the beginning of a word. Have a look at this word. Kind becomes unkind. So, un here is an example of prefix. Second, infix. What is that? So, infix again is an element to be attached or inserted in between or inside a word. And it's really difficult for me to find examples in English since the most of infixes in English are expletives or root words. But thankfully I have found some mild root words. Absolutely could be absolute freakingly. And Facebook could be face bloody book. Education's sake. So yes, these are the examples of infixes in English. Third one is suffix. So again, it is an element to be attached at the end of a word. Unkind becomes unkindly. So ly here is an example of suffix in English. Correct me if I'm wrong, but in English, affixes only slightly change the meaning of a word. But it is another story in Indonesian. Affixes could completely change the meaning of a word in Indonesian. Have a look at this word. Getar means vibrate or shake, but when it is infixed like gemetar, the meaning is completely changed. Gemetar means tremble. In some way, of course, tremble have a connection with vibrate or shake, because when you are trembling, technically you are vibrating, so to speak. So with only a word, getar, it could be this. Bergetar, bergetaran, getaran, menggetar, menggetarkan, penggetar, penggetaran, tergetar, gemetar, bergemetar, gemetaran. Some of them only have slightly different meaning, while some have completely different meaning. Furthermore, in Indonesian, affixes could indicate grammatical informations. Sound smart? For example, in English, your phone was vibrating. In Indonesian, it is handphonemu bergetar. What about your phone was vibrating constantly? It is handphonemu bergetaran. So, instead of adding a new word for constantly, we in Indonesian just add a suffix at the end of the verb to indicate that the phone was not only vibrating once or twice, but it was vibrating many times or constantly. Another example. The sound caused the windows to vibrate. Suara itu menggetarkan jendela. So, cause to vibrate in Indonesian is menggetarkan. Again, instead of using many words, we Indonesian tend to add some affixes to show that something cause another thing to vibrate, and so on. So we will learn about it in the next videos in the future. So this video is basically just an introduction for you to Indonesian affixes. So there you have it for today. I think it's enough for today. And again, if you have any thoughts about this video or any questions about this video or this channel in general, you can always leave a comment down below, or now you can contact me, reach out to me on Instagram. I will put the link to chat me down below. I would be very happy to receive a message from you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.